I remember back in the day, everyone was so connected. I love being part of a big family and kids, grandkids. It's noisy and it's magical. But then your kids grow up and leave home, and suddenly it's so quiet.
Lonely roads, they never end. Old folks telling tales, my friend. Shadows grow with every bend.
Problem with current technology is it leaves a lot of people out. It's really hard for seniors today to use the current generation of tools to connect with their families. What we're doing is designing a product explicitly for super seniors. GrandPad is a simple tablet-based solution that brings families together, puts the seniors back at the center of the family, and connects the senior with their family, friends, and caregivers in a simple, safe, and engaging way.
Oh, I love it. Never did anybody go and take it away from me.
What we've done is thought through that whole end-to-end process, from the buying experience to the unboxing to the first use to the daily interaction to ongoing support, so that that whole experience is super easy and makes it so fun and enjoyable for grandma and grandpa that they forget the technology is even there.
The GrandPad is so easy to use. So the experience begins from the moment it reaches your loved one's door. It comes with written instructions and easy to access packaging.
You'll see there's clear instructions on every side of the box. All the user has to do is lift the flap with one finger. There's nothing to cut through, nothing shrink wrapped or zip tied. There's 3-step setup instructions, the GrandPad tablet, the wireless charging cradle, the stylus pen.
It consists of a tablet that contains the key functions that grandma and grandpa are going to need and love.
It's designed with friendly fonts, large buttons, and a clear, high-contrast screen. And if your loved one is having any cognitive issues, they don't have to worry about forgetting a name, because with the GrandPad, they can simply press on a picture of a familiar face to call. It also comes with front-facing speakers, producing crystal clear audio. And it comes with a simple stylus for people with tremors or dry skin.
I never thought I would see my mom working anything other than a remote to the TV.
Standard technologies were mostly designed by 30-year-olds for 30-year-olds. And so we said, what if we design something explicitly for this awesome age group of super seniors? Rather than trying to guess what it's like, we said, let's just work with them. Let's let our grand advisors, who are all in their 80s and 90s, they really design the product, and we're just the hands that builds the product that they want.
When they decided to get the GrandPad for me, I thought, oh, I'll never be able to learn this. Me, 83 years old, I'm really not into much of the computer world. And now this is so easy for me.
The GrandPad can put the user back in touch with their family with its simple features as soon as they power it up.
One of those features that people love is the call app. So if I want to call somebody I'm connected to, I just tap on their profile picture, and I can choose to initiate either a phone or video call.
So you've got a visual image of the person that you're talking to as you're talking to them. It brings them much closer.
For me, it's super important to be able to see them on video. It lets me know how they're doing, how they're feeling. Then I can see if there's any changes from the last time that I talked to them. And it's just really nice to make that human connection and be able to talk face to face.
It has given her connectivity that she'd never dreamed about.
Now she's got that ability to see us all the time, and she just thinks it's brilliant.
And having this come over my GrandPad and say, love from Scott or love from Kari, it just really makes me feel good, and it knows that I'm a part of a loving family.
Another way the GrandPad lets you stay in touch is with photos.
Before GrandPad, we'd show my grandma photos when we're there with her from our phones, and then we'd leave and she wouldn't be able to see them anymore. Now, all I have to do is take a photo with my iPhone. With the push of a button, I can share it with her, and it shows up right on her GrandPad. Users can tap on the Photos app and can see photos from all the great memories that are being shared by the family. And people really love to use our free companion apps that allow them from their phone or computer to view photos, share, and video call their loved ones.
Along with the companion app, a trusted family admin can support their loved one on the GrandPad by managing their apps and content on a straightforward and secure website, the GrandPad Central. This includes creating a list of contacts for their loved one's GrandPad so that scammers can't even make contact.
72 million. You're the first place winner.
Lottery scam is one of many targeting older Americans.
I believed him because he was so believable.
They see these people as prey.
I lost $27,000. It's a great loss. Why would I think someone would do this to another human being?
The family admin gets to set up who's on this list, who can call and be called by the GrandPad. It allows us to ensure that there's no spam or bad guys able to contact the device.
This doesn't just cover calls, but emails and secure internet browsing as well, which really tends to take the weight off the family's shoulders because now they know that their loved one is always in good hands when they're not around. This way, the GrandPad can really give the gift of confidence and independence to older adults.
She was just bawling her eyes out. She'd done it herself, straight out the box, no instructions.
I can take care of myself. Why on earth would I need a retirement home?
The GrandPad is filled with a world of entertainment. From simulating games to films to music, they have access to over 14 curated music stations, which really brings the enjoyment home. There's so many single and multiplayer card, puzzle, and memory style games to keep their mind sharp. They can play with their friends and family in multiplayer mode, and usually the grandkids love to be involved in fun.
You know, I miss my husband so much, but I think that it has really given me a real support and love feeling from my family.
Being a close family is good, but now having a connected family is better.
The body really just needs 4 essential things. It needs good nutrition. We need to eat and drink. We need good sleep. We need to move. We need to mobilize. And we need to stay connected.
When you're alone, you're not alone. You just go push a few buttons and everybody's there.
Home is where the heart is found, in every laugh and friendly sound. With them I can always be. This family means the world.